I loved camping on the Nehalem River deep in the Oregon coastal range. The next morning, I took a walk through the empty campground, then jumped in my car to scout out a few dispersed campsites. Let's go for a walk. And then when we get down there, I'll turn off my microphone so you can actually hear the river. There's absolutely nobody here. This is so nice. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori, and I'm on a mission this year to go from campgrounds to my very first solo wild camp here in the Pacific Northwest. Let's take a look at this campsite. This is campsite number 2. Oh, this is a primo site. This is where the Jeep was last night. I don't see anything really level for a tent, except for the grass, but try to stay off the grass if I can. This is pretty neat. I think this small body of water right here is a creek. I think it's Spruce Run Creek, and it heads into the Nehalem River, which is pretty cool. Now, what a beautiful spot. I'm coming back here hopefully before it gets busy. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm going to drive down the road a ways. There are some dispersed campsites I want to check out. So if you want to join me, come along. Okay, here's a dispersed site right here, right off the main road. It's really a place for your tent. And it's right on the river too. Okay, first dispersed campsite is just a mile in. Lots of private property. I think this is a dispersed campsite too. Yeah. Let's go check this one out. Okay, dispersed campsite number 2. This one's down on the river, just off the main road a little bit. This is pretty nice. I think this is a dispersed campsite. I don't know why not. Let's go down another mile. Let's see what other sites we can find.